Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Part-03 Model. In this video, we are back with the Stumble Guys character. And in this video, we will make this third one, the ghost one. I don't know what the name of this character, but it is good looking, so I decided to make it. Okay, I will bring in the same character that we used in the first one, and we will use it in this one too. Okay, first of all, I will delete the legs and then delete the half part of the body except the shoes. We will circle the whole body from the main body from like it is a ghost, and some spikes and some thorns from the bottom side. Yes, we will move up the shoes and then make it like that. Scale it just a little bit, and we have to make it round from all sides, just like that. The main thing, we need to make it flat from the bottom side, just like this. It is looking a little better, but remember to don't make it round but make it smooth. And then we will delete the arms as well, and then duplicate these faces to make the arms, but first line up the mesh according to the face. And I will move down the mesh like that, and clean up the mesh just a little bit to keep the shape maintained, like selecting these vertices and dissolve them and join these vertices to keep the topology correct. Now do the same thing to the back side as well. Move this face a little back to make it flat. Scale it on the Y and move it up. Okay, apply the mirror modifier or add a mirror. Okay, we will apply the mirror modifier after we set the shape from all sides. Like it is looking good, and now set it from all sides. Scale it on the y-axis from side view, and yes, it is looking good. Okay, the main part starts from the bottom side. We have to make it like spiky from bottom, just like I said earlier. Duplicate the faces from the side and make the arms like this. We have to make the thumb, so slide this face up and extrude out the thumb just like this. From the side view, scale the arm and make it small, but yes, you get the idea. Move this face a little forward, scale this face a little down, or extrude it from the inside and extrude one more time to make the hand like that. Now I hide everything and make the hand like that, and this is looking good. Now place everything as it is. Scale it up just a little bit to fit the shape. Now scale the shoes. Move this forward, move this down, and extrude it if it is not the shape. Okay, then extrude it inwards. Alt S to scale. Now select this loop, checker deselect, and mean vertex crease, and select the other vertices. Scale them down like that, and now scale the bottom vertices as well, or move them inwards on the X and Y. Okay, now it's time to make the eyes. Insert the two faces. Turn off the clipping to not attach them in the middle. Extrude it inwards like that, just like this. Clear the crease just a little bit like that. It is looking good but not giving the result we want, but makes the shape that's what we want. Yes, it is looking much better. Now select the part of the head and move it back to make it straight and correct, just like that. Okay, now insert the faces to make the mouth. It can be a little complicated because we have to maintain the shape of the mouth and whole head, but we can figure out how to do it. Turn on clipping and then insert the faces. Move them a little to the side and make the shape just like this. Okay, try some ex- do some experiments and see if anything looks good, then we keep it. Otherwise, we have to try it on our own and make it as it looks good. Okay, it's not compulsory to make exactly as it is, but we can make it as it fits the shape and does the result, gives the result we want. Just like increase these edges and move these up and create the crease from the outer loop and make the shape like that. And this is kind of giving the result. Okay, clear the crease and move them a little up, and now we get everything correct. We get the faces to clear to add the teeth, and now it's time to color it. Select everything and color it white in the same color palette, and select the parts where we want the black piece. We don't want the eyes on the outer loop black. Select the in faces and insert it one time. Merge by distance. Okay, now ghost is done. Save your work, scale everything, line up, and make sure everything lines up. This is the final result. I'll see you guys in the next video with a new character. Till then, like, share, subscribe my channel, and Allah Hafiz.